Good morning, beautiful people. Ito, bibiyahe kami ng aking bayaw at saka yung ayan sila. Kasama namin sila. Ayan si wifey na sa likod. So, pupunta kami ng York ngayon, araw na to. So, titingnan namin kung ano may ikot namin doon. Tapos, siguro baka dumaan kami ng Designers Mall o Designers Outlet doon sa York. Siguro biyahe namin mga ilang nakalagay ba dito, ilang oras?
1 hour to
1 hour 21 minutes 20 minutes. So yan muna guys, update namin kayo maya maya pag malapit-lapit na kami. So bye for now.
Turn next left.
Ayan, si Renren, ang aking pamangkin. Ayan si wifey. Okay, bye for now. Guys, biyahe na kami.
Prepare to keep right soon and continue to follow the A19.
Ay guys, yan ang weather ngayon. Medyo sana hindi umulan. Medyo makulimlim lang. Pero
Keep
sana
right
hindi
after
umulan.
400 yards and continue to follow the A19. Keep next right.
Hi guys, update lang. Ito, nandito pa kami sa kalsada. So, ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung view ng aming tinatakbo. So, time check is 10:08. So, ayun guys, medyo foggy. Cloudy. So yan lang muna. Bye for now.
Ayan na.
Indonesia.
Hi guys, update lang. Andito na kami sa aming destination. Dito, ayan, nakarating kami ng 11:09. 1 hour. So 11:08 kanina nung binidyohan ko yan eh. So andito na kami sa
Follow the road.
Designers Outlet. So maghahanap lang kami ng parking guys. Tapos kakain muna bago mag-ikot-ikot. So update namin kay mamaya. So eto kami. Si wifey. Ayan. Si Ren. Okay guys, yan muna. Mamaya ulit. Bye. Hi guys, update. Dito na kami sa Designers Outlet.
Who's the responsible adult?
You give it.
I can see it from a mile off me.
Ayan guys, sasakay lang kami ng bus. So, dito lang kami sa bus stop. So, park and ride to guys. So, nag-park kami ron. Doon. Tapos sasakay kami ng bus dito. Papunta sa town. So, ito yung timetable. So, okay guys, yan lang muna.
Read your map, Bren. So where do you want to go?
Bye for now. Hi guys, ayan, dyan nagpark si Bayaw. So, Tapos bumalik lang ako, dinoble ko yung jacket ko guys kasi yung isa pang itong outer jacket ko pang rain. Eh medyo malamig na. So park and ride to. So yellow ano pala kami. Yellow car park. Tapos pakita ko lang, nag-aantay kami ng bus. Yan yung ano station nila. Yan, park and ride. So itong aking mga kasama. Punta kami sa town ng York. Bye! Hi guys, update ulit. Yan na yung sasakyan naming bus. Double decker. Yan. So, kami yung nasa unang linya. Guys, yun yung aming bus. Number 7. Okay. Okay, come in, go in.
That's what he's doing. He's
Go
taking
in.
you around in a circle. Morning.
Hi
You went
guys.
in the upstairs. He ended upstairs. Let's go upstairs.
Come on.
Go.
Ay, sorry.
Upstairs. Come on.
Gonna go upstairs guys.
So we could enjoy the view.
Get in the front.
Friend, Grace.
Get in the front. Get in the front.
We're in the front. We're all.
Okay guys, dito kami sa...
Mag-video ka?
Oh, hindi, sige, okay lang. Okay lang. Sige, okay lang. Hindi, sige, okay lang. Madali naman tumayo. Guys. So,
the bus to
Kasi-
We go to sit. We'll sit back. We'll sit together.
Where's the water bottle, Daddy?
okay guys, yan muna guys. Nandito kami sa after.
Yeah, exactly. And he's really happy where he is. He's that particular time. You know, he's really happy to go to school, nice going. He's totally changed him.
Hi guys, update lang. We're about to leave now. That's it. We're about to leave.
Singa naman kami naman. Singa naman gato.
Balbalik kasi. Sila ba din naman mag-drive yung bus? And they were so pleased. Setting snow. Second forest. And changing color of the leaves. Maganda kasi. Maganda eh. Lala maya na nag-like yan. Wala kami ng kinder party. Man-boots kami na kasi talagang expected mo kayo. Say nang nagdat sa mayan, balbalang kanin, ano mo pa. Wala special. At tayo na traffic. So, katularan kay Araya basta napaka-priority mag-era, di ba, nung manaaral. Keep you in mag-era. Kasi maira mag-era na yung driver sing. So, balbalan kaya. Special ka. Nakamera pa mag-lakad yung siguro. Wala niya asma na rin.
Yeah.
Nakala. Oh, I see.
Actually, it's the kids are really, really good. He's just made efficiency.
Kami talaga guys. O yan. Kami ang unang-una. So,
Oh, look, a dog.
Collection bin.
ano ba ngayon? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah. Akala ko kanina scary dito sa front. Di naman pala. Wag lang siguro mabilis. Ang taas, so nasa second floor kami guys.
Our house is good. Oh, the world is very small.
So yan lang muna.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay? Yeah.
He goes on. He hasn't got the attention to do it. And then he gets really mad. And then asks for
Gising nga. Pares mo lang ang susahod sa Emirates. Kunti lang dagdag siguro. Yan na yung kaso. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo. Ang gaba yun sa kailan dyan. Pero Arawiya ba taon eh. Araw pa. Dalat taon. Arawiya. No, atalante, kon talante. Bansa si magkano yan, di po. At ang sugabi ko si ta. Telepon na niniman sa may bus driver. Dito na ba? Di pa, doon pa.
Oh, on the same side. Oh, thank you.
Punta kasi.
Dito na tayo. Para dito tayo.
Kasi train naman ah. Papulaits na pala na eh. Maganda ano yung lang doon. Kasal nga na eh.
The whole of China.
Sikat. Iwan lang, may station.
May National Railway Station.
Meron siyang station. Yan, train lang yan. Di train, di tanggre sa nunotang mo.
Kaya akyat tayo dyan sa Great Wall of China.
Eh, mga niya. Mga kani.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise,
Oh yeah. Let's go there.
you don't have, this is ano, station to Laya.
Sige.
Kasi train pa.
Hi, Intangible. Need to get off now. Get off.
Ay guys, so labas na kami. Ay, dito. Hey guys, yan yung sinakyan namin. Double decker. So, dito na kami sa bus station. Ayan.
Yes, yes.
Ayan na sila.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, it takes me up to Christopher, so Saturday now already.
Okay guys, bye. Ano kami? Dito na kami ngayon sa town, Yorktown. Ayan. Ayan yung train station guys. Hanap muna kami ng ano guys, kain muna kami. So it's already 12 noon. So update ulit. Bye for now. Hi guys. Ayan, tatawid kami. Hanap muna kami ng toilet guys, ang lamig. Guys, punta kami rito sa train station. Diyan kami maghanap ng ano, toilet. Ayun guys, hanap na namin yung toilet. Ay guys, update lang. Naghahanap po naman kami ngayon ng makakainan kung saan kami kakain. So doon daw ang city center. So pupunta kami dyan.
Parang siyang city walk.
Yeah.
Riverside
Swansea.
walk. Yung ayam bikin sama doa siguro.
How would that?
It's good though.
Mahulog ka dyan, ha?
Hey guys, nilalakarin namin. Naglalakad kami dito sa sabi ng bayaw ko Great Wall of China daw to. Hindi, pero ito yung perimeter ng castle guys. So ito ata yung, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung nasaan kami, kung nasa loob kami ng castle o labas. Hindi ko alam kung ito ang loob ng guys, yun yung nilalakad. Galing kami dyan.
They were like, wow, so you've got to ruin it. Full. They're quite high up. Yeah, that's fine. We're on the nice bit between two barriers now.
Ako naman sa'yo pa.
Right down well. Here.
Yan guys.
And I think this one might be the Mickey
Continue
Gate.
walking. Taas. I don't know, 20 minutes na baka nag-walk. Ang haba nito. Pero good for your heart. Exercise guys. Ayan na naman hagdanan.
Okay, so hold on to the rail. That's it.
Dear me.
It's like a maze.
Yeah,
We're going this way.
I know. Thank you. One way lang guys, kaya pinagbigyan kami. Masikip kasi. Are we gonna go down here?
Are you getting tired of it?
Ren, are you sure? I think it's hindi ko alam kung saan yung ending nito guys, parang ang haba naman. Nauli na ako. Stop it! Be careful, you're gonna be end up on the... Yan, natumungtong siya laki. Ang taas. What? I know. Ayun siya. Oh, okay. Ask them to come back. I don't know where we're going now. It's not in the... Hold on muna guys. Laki nga.
Ayan o, tingnan mo yan.
I know.
Tower, nung castle o.
I think you need to stop them pa. Not too sure where's the ending. First time namin ditong area eh. Hindi pa kami nakarating dito guys. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan yung ending niya. So hopefully still in the town or whatever. Otherwise long walk na naman pagpabalik. Ang bilis nila maglakad. Habulin ko muna sila guys, okay?
Oh, it's gone! Hi guys, finally. Ayan, nakahanap na kami ng kakainan namin. So, hindi ko alam kung dito gusto nila Nando's. Hi guys, update lang. Balik na kami dun sa Designers Outlet. Hindi namin makita rito yung restaurant na gusto ng batang kainan. So, balik na kami dun. Hi guys, ayan. Update lang.
Sarap po pumunta. Date. Ang dami
Hi guys, hinahanap namin yung bus stop namin. Diyan kami bumaba kanina. Ay hindi, sa may train station pala. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung surroundings. Maganda lang ng mga building. Ayan guys, ito na. Dito kami sasakay. Dito kami sa dulo. Pila. Ayan yung pupuntahan namin, Designers Outlet. Cheers, thank you. Hi guys, we're back on the upper deck. I'm going back into the Designers Outlet. Bye for now.